Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to erase and reset iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to erase or reset your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to simply open up your settings. So in settings, just scroll down and look for general option. Simply tap on it. And from here, you have to scroll down again and you will get the transfer or reset iPhone option. Simply tap on that option and from here you have to select erase all content and settings. But first of all, you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be your photos, videos, apps, accounts. So you must have to make a backup of your data. And once you have the backup of your data, you can easily try this. So now you just have to tap on this continue option and here select erase iPhone. If you have any Apple account logged in, so you must have to enter the Apple account password and then select the erase iPhone option, and here you have to enter your passcode and your mobile will restart and it will automatically erase and reset everything on your iPhone. So in this way you can easily erase and reset your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.